In this video, you will see a speed build of the 3racing ball diff and swing shaft set. Before I show you the build, I wanted to show you the weight savings that you can get from this setup, but also the size difference of the parts, which will also mean even more of a performance advantage. Installing these hop-ups are really easy. If you built your TT01 from a kit, then you should have no problems. I always like the 3racing products, they're built really well. The biggest difference I can notice compared to the stock gear diff is that there's not really any play in the diff when you rotate the wheels, it feels really tight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video.